Hello, I am Nikki Cottam, and I am a certified emotion code practitioner and body code practitioner. Today, I am excited to talk about how a wellness consultation will go. So, there are two types of wellness consultation: a half hour free one and a paid 1 hour one. Now, let me talk about the half hour one. So, the half hour wellness consultation covers, we'll just get together and we'll talk, get on a video chat and talk about you and what your concerns are, what your goals are, questions you have that I might be able to help point you in a good direction for. And then the 1 hour paid wellness consultation is a little bit more exciting because we're able to meet and see what's going on a little bit better and kind of start working toward the roots of some of your questions and concerns. So what that would look like would be we'd connect on a video chat and we'd talk, and I could even help you access some information from your subconscious mind that your subconscious mind has available for you, but sometimes it's hard to really access that. And so we can know a little bit about what your body might be wanting you to know or whatnot. So that gets kind of exciting. We will go a little bit more in depth there, and you will likely leave the 1 hour consultation feeling like you're on a good track, like you are empowered, you kind of know what to do, you kind of know what the next steps look like, and that gets really exciting. From there, you can do monthly discounted sessions with me where we just continue to progress through your goals, and I will be here to help you navigate those. I'm here for your ups and downs. I am really just excited to be able to work with you to help address those things that you need to address, and to be your cheerleader, to be that person you can just bounce ideas off of. Maybe you are wondering if a certain type of food would be beneficial for your situation, or you have questions about quality of food, or you have there's so many things you could want to know. I'm not going to list off a bunch of diagnoses here, but I will tell you that when I first came across this type of practice, this type of motion code and body code work, I was struggling with a lot of hormonal imbalances, some infertility, some fertility problems, and a lot of emotional upset, some anxiety, some depression, some can't quite move past this and this, and emotionally, mentally, and physically, my whole being was taking a big toll and not really moving forward in a healthy way, and a way I felt good about. And so when I came across this was an answer to prayer. And it really just, within just a few months of working on me, I was able to get to the point where my body was able to heal itself. And I was able to conceive and carry healthy pregnancies. And I have been able to do so much for myself and my family and so many clients that this is an absolute joy to get together with you and to just meet you, find out who you are, what your goals are. I have so much desire to help you to find some answers that you're looking for. Now, I have to say, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a nurse, I'm not a medical provider. So I wanted to tell you that. So I'm not here to replace a doctor. I'm not here to replace any of your primary health care providers, okay? I am here as a coach, as a friend, as an emotion code practitioner, a body code practitioner, to help you kind of navigate through some of your emotions and how your emotions might be tied to something physical, or some mental thought patterns might be tied to something physical or emotional. I honestly believe that at least 90% of all our physical ailments and discomforts all have an emotional or a psychological root. And I'll just let that sink in. So, where a lot of what I do comes in is where we target. Why is it that this is causing you so much difficulty? And we help access some of the subconscious messages that maybe you have not quite let go of, that you've been carrying around, that have been causing so much emotional and mental and physical turmoil for you. And so I'm really excited to jump in and help you navigate your better self. I will mention things that could be beneficial in terms of exercises, in terms of balancing your pH levels in your body. We're going to talk a little bit about essential oils, about vitamins, minerals, probiotics, some things that could be beneficial for you, in addition to the work that we will do together in unveiling some of those emotional things, some of those mental things, and deeply addressing some physical issues. And so I'm here for you, and I am really excited to see you. So please connect with me. Please go ahead and set something up, and I will have you fill out a form. And once you fill that out, I will be able to do this work with you. So I'm really excited. I have lots of success stories, lots of testimonials. There have been a wide range of different people I have worked with all across the spectrum. I do believe that nothing in itself is incurable, that pretty much almost everything that we wish was different about the way our body is functioning or not functioning the way we want to, that there is something emotional that or mental that needs to be addressed for us to begin moving beyond some of those things. So please be in touch with me. I am delighted to meet you. Once again, my name is Nikki Cottam. I'm here for you, and I will hopefully talk to you very soon.